Have you ever found yourself struggling to manage large amounts of data in Excel? Or maybe you're looking for a more collaborative and user-friendly spreadsheet tool. So you're not alone. In this video, we're going to take a look at two popular spreadsheet options, Excel and Smartsheet. We'll compare their features, pros, and cons to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Spreadsheets are essential tools for businesses and individuals alike. They can be used to track data, analyze trends, and collaborate with others. But with so many different spreadsheet options available, it can be hard to know which one is the best for your needs. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet application that has been around for decades. It is one of the most popular spreadsheet programs in the world, and it is used by millions of people every day. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as creating and formatting spreadsheets, analyzing data, creating charts and graphs, collaborating with others. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet platform that is designed to be more collaborative and user-friendly than Excel. Smartsheet offers a number of features that are not available in Excel, such as real-time collaboration, Gantt charts, workflow automation, forms. Comparing Excel and Smartsheet. Now that we have a better understanding of Excel and Smartsheet, let's take a look at how they compare. Features. Excel offers a wide range of features, including formulas and functions, pivot tables, conditional formatting, macros, VBA. Smartsheet also offers a wide range of features, including real-time collaboration, Gantt charts, workflow automation, forms, dashboards. Pros and cons. Excel. Pros. It is a well-known and established tool. It is very powerful and can be used to perform a wide range of tasks. It is relatively easy to learn. Cons. Can be difficult to collaborate with others on large spreadsheets. Can be slow to open and save large files. It does not offer as many features as some other spreadsheet programs. Smartsheet. Pros. It is more collaborative and user-friendly than Excel. It is cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere. It offers a number of features that are not available in Excel. Cons. It is not as well known as Excel. It is more expensive than Excel. It may take some time to get used to the interface. Which is better, Excel or Smartsheet? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs. If you are looking for a powerful and well-established spreadsheet tool, Excel is a good choice. However, if you are looking for a more collaborative and user-friendly option, Smartsheet may be a better fit. Here are some factors to consider when making your decision. The size and complexity of your spreadsheets. The number of people who will be collaborating on the spreadsheets. Your budget. Your experience with spreadsheet software. Excel and Smartsheet are both powerful spreadsheet tools that can be used to manage data and collaborate with others. The best tool for you will depend on your individual needs. If you're still not sure which spreadsheet tool is right for you, I encourage you to try out both Excel and Smartsheet for free. You can find free trials of both tools on their websites. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Excel and Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.